So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we edit our photos on Adobe Lightroom. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to use Adobe Lightroom, then this video is for you. So, go to your Lightroom. After going to your Lightroom, click on the photo you want to edit. If you don't know how to export the photo, then you can watch our previous video where I have explained how do we export photos on Lightroom. So to edit, you can see the whole option here. For light adjustment, go to light and exposure. You can see here. You can adjust everything here. Now here you can see the difference, and at auto, if you click at auto, they will manage everything automatically. And after going to effects, you can adjust your own texture. A real quality product. This will give the whole quality here. Files. Here you can see different effects which you can use. After going back, score change, and here you can see optics. They'll manage your photo automatically. Presence, this is best. This is not totally free, so you have to go to yours, go to creative, and here you can see they'll edit themselves everything. If you are into photography and all, this is a great app for you guys. Like here you can see the effect, score change. So that's it guys. And for saving, now in order to export your photos to your album, just click on share and export as. Name it anything you want. Quality is 100% as you can see. Include watermark or not, that's your choice. Now click on write. Now your photo has been exported successfully. Go to your photos. Lightroom photos has been done here. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you like our video, then like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.